Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this fun little tool. It's the Meta Demo Lab. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and use the link that is posted on Schoology. You can also just quickly Google it's Meta Demo Lab to get to it, and we're going to be making an animated drawing. I'm going to hit the try it now, and you're just going to go ahead and follow the prompt step by step. So first thing is you need to have a character. Remember, nothing copyrighted. We're not going to be animating SpongeBob, right? That already exists. So an original character. And they do want you to have it on a white background. Don't forget, if you've made something in another program and it's not on a white background, you can always use Photoshop to go ahead and cut it out. They have some little examples here, a little checklist for you to follow. But I'm going to go ahead and hit upload and find my retro robot. I couldn't find the full color original, but this is from our little sketch blueprint project that we did last year. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and follow the prompt. So I've uploaded it, and I'm going to go ahead and just draw a box around my character. There we go. Hit next. And again, I did not make this character for this program. I probably would have illustrated it with the limbs outstretched. So right here, I'm gonna need to touch up. You can take your time. Maybe if you have a tablet, it'll work a little bit nicer. I'm just using a mouse right now. And I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and separate this piece so that way it knows that all of this is not connected. I'm gonna go a little bit bigger for my brush. Up, I went too far. I'll go back to the small brush. All right, and I have now separated this. I'm going to go to next. Okay, now this is where I'm going to add the joints. So if you hover over it, will tell you which area this is. So the eyes. Okay, remember that this is on the left side because the character is facing you, right? So on the left side is really our right eye as the character faces you. Okay, ears, those seem to be in the correct position. The head center, decide where you want to place that. Okay, right shoulder, I'm going to go ahead and move that point up. Left shoulder, okay, elbow. And let's see, if I do that as the elbow, then to keep things symmetrical, that would be here as well. My hips, and then my ankles. So maybe I'll move those out a little bit. All right, and I'm happy with that. All right, and then by placing those points, this program is going to go through and do kind of a puppet warping. And this is a tool that will be in other animation programs that we'll be exploring as well. But this is just a really easy, basically it's taking those points that you have programmed in and it's applying just like a set number of movements to your points. Okay, so if you do want to go back, you can hit edit if you need to readjust any of your points, right? Maybe you placed them in the wrong spot and I actually wanted my elbow to be up here instead. You could go ahead and move things around and it would then reanimate it for you. Okay, so again, if you want to do any adjustments right here, you can go ahead and just look through. They have them kind of separated by category. Got some fun dance moves. Okay, woo, doing some dance moves, waving hello, so on and so forth. And then when you're ready to download it, I like this little, we'll do this little jumping one. Okay, I'm going to hit actually this button here. The share is pretty tricky to use. There's like sort of a way to copy it, but I was telling you originally to use the share, but it's not connected with your email or anything. So it's going to be much easier if you downloaded this other method. All right, so I'm happy with this. I'm going to go ahead and hit right here to expand this. And now I can see the whole file. And you can see, again, this is just like a free little fun program. So it's not the most high res at all. Again, hit the little three dots, and then I should be able to download it. Looks here like you can also change your playback speed. I don't know if that's going to impact the actual animation or anything. I'm going to go ahead and change that back to normal, and then just download that. All right, and then I can go ahead and hit escape. Maybe I want to have 3 different moves for this little guy. So let's see, I'll do a little waving. And again, I can click here and download. All right, I'll hit escape and then let me do one more. let's see. Sure, we'll do some big waving. All right, and that's it for this super easy, fun to use Meta Demo Lab.